So yeah, it's going to be a very hectic month. I know I'm planning all of this, and in the end I'm just going to sleep it off. So hi everyone, it's 1 a.m. in the morning and it's Monday now. Yeah, so this is my new vlog which I'm starting. It's about a week in the life of a medical college student in India during quarantine. Right now I'm actually studying anatomy, and after this actually I have to go and study biochemistry. For all of this because my terms are starting in the next 2 weeks or so, and well, I'm very far behind. I have got 2 units, not chapters, to complete in physiology, 2 units in biochemistry, my entire thorax and my entire upper limb from the elbow joint and above. Plus, all of me and my batchmates were under the impression that colleges won't open up and the exams will be postponed. But as of the moment, we just got our date sheet delivered to us today, and it was a pretty horrifying experience because, well, we were all chilling and we were all relaxing. We were all, quite frankly, not studying, and yeah, we all are fucked. This, my dear friends, is the message that set off the chain reaction due to which every one of us is panicking right now. Well, so I have actually got a 4-hour session right now in which I'll try to complete my thoracic cavity, mediastinum, and the initial portion of lungs. Let's hope I can do this because well, even if I can't, tomorrow never dies. Then after that, I have got another 5-hour session for biochemistry. Then I have to plan my upcoming videos on nerve injuries and then shoot them. But before that, I have to study for them. So yeah, it's going to be a very hectic month. I know I'm planning all of this, and in the end I'm just going to sleep it off. Yeah. At the moment, I'm planning so hard, so hard and so well and so meticulously that even I'm impressed. But I know as soon as the things are going to get hard, I'm going to sleep it off right. Because I did the same thing. I planned it all just for last week, and then I slept over 12 hours every day. Well, because I'm at home. If I would have been in college, it would have been a different story altogether. But as of the moment, I'm at home. So yeah, anything hard comes my way, I'm going deep down to sleep. We do a lot of stuff to de-stress ourselves. For example, for me personally, it was playing violin and playing badminton. I am a state level player in badminton, and I have also played in IPSC. As for violin, I am a grade 1 graduate with distinction from Trinity College London. But when we got the news that our colleges were about to close, we all got a hint that it's again going to be a lockdown. In Delhi, there is a lockdown as of the moment. So we just grabbed all we could and we rushed back home. So in that case, I left my violin there, and I also left my badminton kit there. So as of the moment, there is no facility to do that. I have ordered a new violin. It will come in another week or so. But as for badminton, it's completely gone because no court is open right now. Plus, yeah, to my dear friend Aditya Locha, who is helping me in making this vlog by doing all the editing stuff. Insert time lapse of me studying. Hi guys, so take notes. This is what you should do after you have done your MBBS, you have done your MS, you have done your fellowship, you have made a hospital, you are married, you have a child, you have put him in medical school, and you have made enough fun of him for choosing medical school, and you have also made fun of him for having exams recently and not studying for it. This is what you should do. So I'm still studying anatomy. It was supposed to be all done by yesterday, but I slept through it for the entire 10 hours and even missed my first 2 classes, and now I've got to cover it all up. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So we are actually at the ending of the 3rd day, because on the 2nd day I remembered that I had a part completion test for thorax, which was due today. So yesterday night tried studying, but then I slept through it. So today was my exam, and we had an online exam, and it's safe to say that I'll pass. And to everyone who's giving that judgy look, it's a very good thing if you can pass in all the exams at a medical college. That's a very good thing. After that, I made a chart and planned out my videos that I'm going to be making in the next few days, because after that I'll have to go offline because, well, my term exams are there. So yeah, and it is again 2 o'clock in the night, and signing off on day 3. Bye.